Hi, my name is Tyler Wright from Carbon-Fi, and today I'm going to make a blue Aurora version 3 carbon fiber ring with 3 stripes and a matching keychain. To start, we're going to set up the plate on the drill press and cut out the blanks, is what they're called. So we're going to start by drilling the hole in the middle for the keychain. Then we are going to use the inside hole saw, which is a diamond coated hole saw, to cut out the middle of the ring, kind of the inside, and then we're going to use a hole saw to cut out the exterior of the ring to try to get as close to the right size as possible to save us time from cutting. After we have the blanks cut, we can then put them on the lathe, and we are going to hand shape the exterior first, and we're going to use several grits of sandpaper to give it a nice smooth finish and polish, which helps the glow brighter as well as feel more comfortable in your hand. After we've done the exterior of the ring, we put it in the jaws and we size it out until it's just about the right size. After we've got it sized, then we sand to the exact size and polish the inside, put some comfort fit by hand, and clean up the edges. After we've hand sanded, polished, and shaped the inside of the ring, we are officially done, minus cleaning and charging it up. Next, we're going to move on to the matching keychain, and we only need to sand one side of this because the carbon fiber has a gloss side and a peel ply side. The peel ply side has to be polished up to a high gloss. So we're only going to do the one side. And once we have that done, then we are going to put it onto a threaded rod and put it back into the jaws to do the exterior of the keychain. The final result is a blue Aurora carbon fiber ring and matching keychain. This Aurora carbon fiber we designed and is specific to us, and we're very, very proud of it because we made it so that it's completely customizable to you. You can select how wide you want your ring to be, and we cut it down to match that size. I personally like very wide rings, whereas other people do not like how that feels when you close your hand. So we make this so it's 4 stripes, and you can cut it down to 2 stripes so it can be as comfortable or as versatile as you'd like it to be. Thank you for watching our video, and check out our website www.carbonfi.com.